All set now, ready to race. And the race is on. Followed by Sugar Glaze. Moving up by the Relish Magnolias Classic. Magnolias Classic, Diamond Duchess, Sugar Glaze. And racing on the outside, running by the Relish, Bringer of Rain, Good Humor. And she's gorgeous, number 1, Harbor Magic. Inside the last 800, Magnolias Classic, Diamond Duchess, Bringer of Rain is now running in third. Sugar Glaze racing in fourth, and Good Humor. And rounding the far turn, it's now Diamond Duchess, Magnolias Classic, Bringer of Rain, and rushing up Sugar Glaze, Good Humor racing in fifth as they race the last 450. The favorite Diamond Duchess by about 2 lengths, followed now by Bringer of Rain, Sugar Glaze racing on the outside, and Good Humor by the row. Diamond Duchess by about 3 lengths, followed now by Sugar Glaze on the outside. Diamond Duchess, Sugar Glaze on the outside, Good Humor, but Diamond Duchess winning this race. Second, Sugar Glaze, Good Humor, Bringer of Rain, number 1, Harbor Magic, number 2, She's Gorgeous, and Magnolias Classic.
Okay, 6, 7, 3, 4.